Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At the section today we are going to discuss about elementary geometry worksheet number 3A, which is part of 9th class mathematics. So let's get started. Question number 1, it is a mains model. If x minus 10 degree equals to 60 degree, where x is an acute angle, then the supplementary of x is. So option A 110 degree, option 2 120 degree, option 3 130 degree, option 4 140 degree. So in that question what I am given, x minus 10 value already given 60, therefore x equal to 70, but here x is the acute angle. Acute angle means what? An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So already got x equal to 70. How will get 70? X minus 10 equals to 60 degree, therefore x equals to 70 degree, because minus 10 go to right side, it will become a add up to 60, 70. Am I clear? So x is a acute angle. What is acute angle? Less than 90 degree. Already got acute. X is a acute. But question is what I am asking, then the supplement of x is. So clearly we need to notice that what is the supplementary definition. So supplementary angle means sum of the two angles is 180 is called, those angles is called supplementary angle. Am I clear? Sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So those angles are called supplementary angle. If it is given sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree, those angles are called complementary angles. Already told you in my fundamental of geometry class. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that already got x value 70. But question what I am asking, supplementary angle of x. So therefore supplementary angle equals to supplement angle of x equals to, so sum of the two angles equals to 180, that is called supplementary. Already got x value 70. So what is the supplementary angle of x? 180 degree minus x, remaining angle. So that is called supplement angle of x. So 180 degree minus x value already got 70. So what is the required answer? 110. So this is a supplementary angle of x. Option A is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. If 2x plus 210, this is 210 degree. Am I clear? 2x plus 210 degree equals to 260 degree, where x is an acute angle, then the complement of the angle x is option 1 60 degree, option 2 75 degree, option 3 65 degree, option 4 70 degree. So clearly we need to notice that in that question what I am given, then the complement angle of the x. So clearly we need to notice that. So given condition 2x plus 210 degree equals to 260 degree. This is a given condition. So first one we need to find x value, but x should be an acute angle, nothing but less than 90 degree. An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So clearly we need to notice that. Therefore 2x can be written as 260 minus 210, because 210 go to right side, it will become a minus. So 260 minus 210 value 50. Therefore x equals to 50 by 2. So what is the value? X equals to 25 degree. Am I clear? So this is degree value. So already got acute angle less than 90, nothing but 25 degrees. X value. But question what I am asking, complement of angle of x. So question what I am asking, complement or complementary angle of x. Angle of x equals to, so what is the definition of complementary angle? Sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree. Those angles are called complementary angle. But already given one angle 25. What about remaining? So remaining is called complement angle of x, 90 degree minus x. That is called remaining angle. So here 90 minus x value, you know that. What is the value? 25 degree. So 90 minus 25 degree. Then answer is 65 degree. So which option is right answer? Option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? So it's a very clear. So complementary angle of x, nothing but already got one angle 25. Sum of the two angles equal to 90. Remaining, you can able to understand what is the remaining angle. How will get remaining angle? 90 minus 25, 65. That is a complementary angle of x. Am I clear? Let us go to question number 3. If two angles A and B which are complement to each other are in the ratio 3:2, then the angles option A 54 degree, 36 degree, option 2 60 degree, 30 degree, option 3 70 degree, 20 degree, option 4 44 degree, 46 degree. Am I clear? So in that question what I am given, AB are two angles which are complementary to each other. So what is complementary? Nothing but sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree, but already given each other in the ratio, nothing but A is to B ratio already given. How much? 3 is to 2. So let us consider this is 3x and 2x. So complementary means sum of the two angles equals to 90. So A plus B value, angle A plus angle B value, how much? 90 degree. So we need to understand. So angle A, angle B value already given. 3x is to 2x. Nothing but what is total? 5x. So we can write another step. 3x plus 2x equals to 90. So 5x equals to 90 degree. Therefore x equals to 90 by 5. Nothing but 18 degree. So that is a x value. So first one we need to find angle A and angle B. What is angle A value? 3x. Nothing but 3 into 18. What is this? 54 degree. That is angle A. Again angle B. What is angle B part? 2x. 2 into 18. 18 degree equals to 36 degree. But question what I am asking? Then the angles are. So with respect to order, 54 and 36 is right answer. 54 degree, 36 option A is right answer. Am I clear? So in that question, complementary, nothing but sum of the two angles equals to 90. This condition is very important. Am I clear? Right. Let's go to question number 4. If two angles which are supplement each other are in the ratio 2:7, then the angles are option 1 40 degree, 140 degree, option 2 30 degree, 150 degree, option 3 10, 170 degree, option 4 60 degree, 120 degree. So in that question what I am given, two angles are supplementary angles, nothing but supplement each other, nothing but supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:3. So clearly we need to understand what I am taking. These two angles A is to B equal to 2:7. This is 2x and 7x. So 2:7 original is 2x and 7x. Let me take in 2x and 7x. So two angles, angle A and angle B. Am I clear? So in that condition these two angles are supplementary. What is the definition of supplementary? Sum of the two angles, nothing but angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. That is called, those angles are called supplementary angles. Am I clear? Sum of the two angles equals to 180 degree is called supplement angles. So already angle A, angle B, what I am taken? 2x and 7x. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So let angle A, angle B, 2x and 3x already given the ratio. Total will become 9x. 2x plus 7x equals to 180 degree. Total 9x equals to 180. Therefore x equals to 20 degree, because 180 by 9 nothing but 20 degree. That is x value. But question what I am asking? Those angles. So angle A value. Therefore angle A equals to here 2x, nothing but 2 into 20. 2 into 20 degree equals to 40 degree. Angle B 7 into 20 degree equals to 140 degree. So which option is right answer? 40, 140. So option 1 is right answer, because that is a respective order. So respectively first one 40, second one 140 degree. Am I clear? That is a first option is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 5. If the supplement of an angle 5 times itself, then its complement is option 1 60 degree, option 2 70 degree, option 3 80 degree, option 4 50 degree. In that question, so what is the main parameters of the question? Supplementary and a complementary. Sum of the two angles is 180 degree is called supplementary angle. Sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree, those angles is called complementary. So in that question supplementary given and complementary is asking. So clearly we need to understand. But in that question what, let me take in first term. So what is given option? 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 50 degree. So let the angle be x. So what I am taking? Let the angle be x. So what is the supplementary angle of x? Let the angle be x degree. What is their supplementary? So supplement of the angle equals to sum of the two angles equals to 180 degree is called supplement angles. So 180 degree minus x. This is a supplement of the angle. So let me take an angle is x. What is the supplement of the angle? 180 minus x, because sum of the two angles equals 180, but already one angle already considered as x. What is the remaining angle? 180 minus x. But in that question what I am given, that supplementary angle nothing but, so 180 degree minus x value, how much given? 5 times itself, nothing but 5x. 5 times of itself means 5 times of that angle. Am I clear? So it is equals to 5 times. Clearly we need to understand, let the angle be x. What is the supplement of the angle? 180 minus x. But here supplement of the angle is 5 times itself. 5 times of itself means 5x. Therefore it can be written 6x equals to 180 degree. So minus x go to right side, it will become a positive. 5x plus x is 6x. Therefore x equals to 180 by 6, nothing but 30 degree. But question what I am asking, then its complement is. So question what I am asking, complement of x. So what is complement of angles? Sum of the two angles equal to 90 degree. But you know one angle is 30 degree. What about remaining? 60 degree is right answer. So 60 is right answer. So what is the next step? So question what I am asking, complement angles. So complement of its complement, directly its complement. So nothing but, so its complement equals to 90 degree minus x. Nothing but 90 degree minus 30. What is answer? 60 degree is right answer. Option 1 is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 6. If the complement of an angle 1 by 5 times itself, then the angle R. Option 1 75 comma 15 degree. Option 2 60 degree comma 30 degree. Option 3 65 degree comma 25 degree. Option 4 80 degree comma 10 degree. So the complement of an angle 1 by 5 times of itself. So clearly we need to understand in that question, let the angle be x. What I am taking? Let the angle be x. So if you consider the angle is x, what is their complement? So complement of the angle equals to, so in that question complementary angle means what? Sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree. Nothing but, so complement of the angle is 90 degree minus x. Am I clear? So complement angle nothing but sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree. But already one angle already considered as x. What about remaining 90 minus x? So in that question what I am given, complement of an angle nothing but 90 degree minus x is 1 by 5 times of itself, nothing but 1 by 5 times of x. Am I clear? So itself, that complementary already got 90 minus x is 1 by 5 times of itself, nothing but x into x. So it can be written as, so 90 degree equals to x by 5, 1 by 5 into x means x by 5 minus x go to right side, it will become plus x. So therefore it can be written, so LCM is 5, x plus 5x, 6x equals to 90 degree. Am I clear? According to cross multiplication, therefore 6x equals to 90 degree into 5. So 6 1s are 6 15s are. So 15 into 5, 75. So x value 75. But question what I am asking? Then the angles are. So then the angles are means one angle is 75. Okay. So one angle is 75. X value 75. What is the other angle? 90 minus 75. Nothing but 15 degree. Which option is right answer? Option 1 is right answer. So in that question what I am asking at final, those angles nothing but sum of the two angles equals to 90 degree. Those angles is called complement angle. Okay. So already got x value 75, other angle is 15. So which option is right answer? First option is 1. I will get 15. 90 minus 75, 15. So this is the required answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 7. If the supplement of an angle 40 degree less than thrice its supplement, then the angles are option 1 55 degree comma 125 degree, option 2 60 degree comma 120 degree, option 3 75 degree comma 15 degree, option 4 80 degree comma 100 degree. Am I clear? So in that question what I am given, the supplement of an angle 40 degree less than thrice its supplementary, then the angles are. So clearly we need to understand, let the angle be x. What I am taken first? Let the angle be x. So what is their supplement? Supplement of the angle equals to 180 degree minus x, because sum of the two angles equals to 180 degree. Those angles are called supplementary angles. So one angle already considered as x, about remaining is 180 minus x. So in that question what I am given, the supplementary of angle nothing but 180 degree minus x is is 40 less than thrice its supplementary. So 40 less than thrice its supplementary means 3x minus thrice 3x minus 40. I will get step. So supplementary angle nothing but 180 minus x is thrice, so 40 degree less than thrice its supplementary. Its supplementary means don't take an 180 minus x. It's supplementary nothing but what is supplementary here? X and 180 minus x are supplementary angles because sum of the two angles equals to 180. So don't take in 180 minus x, nothing but x value here. It's supplementary means x is a supplement here. It is nothing but 3x minus 40 less. So this is a required step. Am I clear? So therefore 2x can be written as 4x. X go to right side, it will become a 3x plus x. 40 go to left side, it will become a positive. So therefore 4x equals to what I am getting? 220 degree. So I will get 220. 180 plus 40, 220. 3x plus x, 4x. Therefore x can be written as 220 by 4. So 4 5 is a 4 5 again 5 is a x value 55 degree. So question what I am asking, then the angles are, what is angle? 1 is 55 confirm. What about remaining 180 minus 55? Nothing but 180 minus 55 125. So those angles are 55 and 125. Option 1 is right answer. So once I am explained that, so the sum actually the supplement of an angle 40 less than thrice its supplement then the angles are. So let me what I am taken, the angle be x. So supplement of an angle equal to 180 minus x. The supplement angle is the 40 less than 3 times of itself. So you can find the x value first, 55. So what are the angles? Nothing but one is x, another one is 180 minus x. So 55 already got one angle, another angle is 180 minus 55, 125. Option 1 is right answer. Let's go to question number 8. If an angle lies between 180 degree and 270 degree is A or N. So nothing but first option reflex angle, second option complete angle, third option acute angle, fourth option obtuse angle. So first one, what is the reflex angle here? So I need to explain all options. So reflex angle means an angle which is more than 180 less than 360 is called reflexive angle. So here let me take an theta is angle. So it is more than 180 degree less than 360 degree is called reflexive angle. Am I clear? So second one, what I am given complete angle. Complete nothing but it is theta value should be 360 degree. So it is exactly 360, nothing but it is complete one revolution, nothing but complete angle, full angle. Complete angle means it is also called full angle. Am I clear? So what is third one? Acute angle. So acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. An angle which is less than 90 degree. But here theta value should be less than 90 degree. More than 0 degree is called acute angle. So what is the fourth option? Obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means, so an angle which is more than 90 degree less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. So it is more than 90 degree less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. But in that question what I am given, if an angle lies between 180 and 270. So 180 and 270, nothing but more than 180 less than 360, 270. That means also less than 360. That angle should be a reflexive angle. Option 1 is right answer. according to given options. Am I clear? So if an angle lies between 180 and 270, clearly we need to identify. Second option should be eliminate them because it is a full angle, nothing but 360, do not given. Acute means less than 90, it is not there. Obtuse means more than 90, less than 180. But here what I am given, more than 90, okay, but less than 180 is not possible because the angle lies between 180 and 270 should be a reflexive angle, because reflexive angle means an angle which is more than 180, less than 360. It is lies between these particular angles, given particular angles, that is called reflexive angle. Option 1 is right answer. So let's go to question number 9. If an angle lies between 105 degree and 130 degree, then it is dash angle. Option 1 acute angle, option 2 reflexive angle, option 3 obtuse angle, option 4 complete angle. So clearly we need to identify that. So in that question what I am given, the angle lies between 108 degree and 105 degree, 130 degree. So between 105 and 130. So that angle should be obtuse angle, because what is the definition of obtuse? Already mentioned that it is more than 90, less than 180. Obtuse means what? More than 90 degree, less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. So given angle is also given between 105 and 130 degree. Suppose if you take an 120 degree, so it should be a obtuse angle, because an angle which is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. So acute is failed because it is less than only 90 degree. An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So but here given more than 105 and less than 130. Reflexive also fail. What is the reflexive angle? It is more than 180, less than 360. It is also fail. Complete means 360 degree. So which option is right answer? Option 3 is right answer.